Good day everyone. I am Aris Inigo Putoy from One Bravo, and today I will be talking about the sewage system. What is sewage system? A sewage system on a ship is a system that collects, stores, treats, and properly disposes of wastewater from toilets and other sanitary areas on board to prevent pollution and comply with international maritime regulations. Why is sewage system on a ship important? The sewage system is important because it protects the environment, keeps the ship clean and hygienic, and ensures compliance with International Maritime Organization regulations. To be specific, the MARPOL or the Marine Pollution. Now, let's proceed to the operating principle or the working principle of the sewage system. Aeration compartment. Sewage enters via the sewage inlets and a coarse screen and is then thoroughly mixed and aerated by fine bubble aeration diffusers located at the bottom of the compartment based on the picture. The diffusers are easily removable through the side or end of the tank for maintenance and receive air from rotary blower. The aerobic bacteria and microorganisms break down the organic waste material into mainly carbon dioxide. Water and inert material produce new bacteria cells and organisms. The resulting mixture is displaced by incoming sewage into the settlement compartment. In other words, ang wastewater from the toilets and drains ay nakokolekta dito sa tank where solid particles mulubog siya and lighter materials mo ato sa babaw, separating the waste before further treatment. The second working principle is in the settlement compartment. This has sloping sides and is designed to precipitate activated sludge, which is transferred from the bottom of the compartment via an airlift back to the aeration compartment, where it is mixed with the incoming raw sewage. Clear supernatant liquid is displaced via an outlet where into the contact compartment. Excess activated sludge is periodically removed from the unit via these components. So dito natin makikita ang dirty water nga nagyapon siya sa ilawom sa tank, settled at the bottom of the tank. Then the sludge are sent back to the aeration compartment to be treated again, while ang limpyo nga tubig kay mo proceed siya for the next step. So the last working principle takes place in the contact compartment. Chlorine is added via the dosing pump to this component to kill bacteria remaining in the effluent. Discharge from the compartment is controlled by float switches connected to the discharge pump. The chlorination chemical is added via a dosing pump to the effluent as it is discharged to neutralize any residual chlorine. So this part is the final treatment stage, where chlorine is added to disinfect the effluent by killing the remaining bacteria after contact time. So, ang flow is nakokontrol by float switches and pumped out before siya i-discharge doon sa dagat. And the chlorination chemical is added before discharge to remove leftover chlorine so that the water is safe for discharge. And that's all for the sewage system. And again, this is Aris Inigo Opotoy from One Bravo. And I hope you learned something. Thank you.